Greetings to everyone. Today's topic is reasons and remedies for current increase of drug addiction among teenagers. Many forms of addiction starts during adolescence. The teenage brain is still developing, and it will definitely try to explore things, so there is an increased risk of addiction. Experimentation plays the biggest role in teenage drug use. Many of the teens experiment with drugs, but are not addicted. Drug addiction is a chronic disease, characterized by compulsive or uncontrollable drug seeking and use. Despite harmful consequences and change in brain, which can be long-lasting. The common reasons teens get addicted include: number 1. Curiosity. Teens are very curious to know things, and they try for a while. Number 2. Peer pressure. The teens who are already addicted to drugs force the others to do so. Number 3. Stress. They are subjected to various stress, both in academic and family side, which makes them stressful and plays a key role in triggering addiction. Number 4. Emotional struggles. During this stage of life, the hormones are uncontrollably released in the body, resulting in oscillation of emotions. Number 5. Ease of access and being inexpensive. Some illegal drug dealers, aiming at their personal benefit, make the drugs easily available for the teens. There are some major and common signs of teen who are addicted to drugs. They are getting bad grades, bloodshot eyes, progressive loss of interest in daily activities, generally avoiding eye contact, sudden development of secretive behavior, being isolated forever, excessive sleepiness, always being in an depressed state. Their parents must have an eye on them besides their work. Some common drugs that usually teens get addicted to are: number 1. Alcohol. Alcohol is glorified in movies, music and television. As this generation teens are more active on social media and other media, they are obviously influenced by them. Moreover, the social acceptance of alcohol make many teens to view alcohol as relatively harmless one. The addiction of alcohol leads to binge drinking, which causes liver and kidney damage, and even may cause death. Number 2. Cocaine, heroin, cannabis. They are provided to the teens by illegal authorities. The most popularly misused opioid pain relieving drugs are Vicodin and Oxycontin. They provide euphoric feeling, and moreover they are easily accessible and inexpensive. Some of the OTC drugs are also misused by the teens. Generally, overdose of these drugs are injected or inhaled for euphoric feelings. The last one is prescription medications. They include central nervous system stimulants, depressants and narcotic drugs. Benzodiazepines like Xanax produce pleasurable effects. This drug addiction will definitely affect the personal life and the family of the addicted person. It may lead to immune system depression and various other life-threatening reactions. Finally, we can see the remedies to get out of the addiction. Early detection offers the best chance of recovery. There are rehabilitation centers all over the nation which helps in bringing the individuals out from the addiction. But actually a time-consuming process. Frequent follow-up must be done to prevent relapse. Mainly the licensed drug dealer who sell the narcotic and related drugs must provide stock details of drugs monthly to the respective authority in order to prevent misconsumption of drugs by common people. Some of the treatment of addiction includes providing specific drugs. Opioid addiction may be treated with specific drugs such as methadone, buprenorphine and naltrexone. For tobacco addiction, nicotine replacement, by various routes can be done. Alcohol addiction may be treated with the US FDA-approved drugs, such as naltrexone, acamprosate, and disulfiram. Finally, an awareness must be created among the teenagers, mainly in the respective educational institutions, about the negative effects of drugs and substance addiction in a periodic manner, so that the teens will stay away from drugs. Periodically, advice must be given for the students about the serious effects of drug addiction, so that they can stay away from addiction. And together we can make peaceful environment, as the addiction in adolescence age are stronger and may last lifelong. So care must be taken by the parents and teachers among their children. If we work together, we can build addiction-free and stronger India. Thanks for listening. Have a great day.